What's that? Your pizza almost ready?
Yeah, yes it is. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
That's a pizza. Oh.
Who laughs at somebody getting their hand burned? Nah, that's Chicago thin crust pizza. That's how we do it on the Southside, y'all. Now that's the real pizza. Now they say y'all come to Chicago for deep dish, but that thin crust is the real deal, baby. That's what we get, on a weekly basis at least. Especially back in the day. I don't know about y'all young people, but we used to get paid every Friday. We used to get paid weekly. Yes, weekly, not bi-weekly. And you get paid every Friday, and guess what? You was gonna go get you a thin crust pizza. And by me growing up on the South Side, Inglewood, we went to Italian Fiesta. That is bar none the number one pizza place on the South Side of Chicago. That's it. So good. Between 2008 and 2016, it was official pizza of the White House. I'm done. Let's go make this pizza. Y'all saw how it looked. Also to note too, my people, when you at Italian Fiesta and you trying to get one of these pizza pies on Super Bowl or New Year's Eve, you look at about a 3 to 4 hour wait. And that's if you not trying to be cool and you go and order at least around 11 a.m. or noon. If you're trying to be cool and order in the evening, yeah, forget about it. And then if you're trying to get a delivery, then really forget about it. All right, let's get ready to go into this. All right, so just for y'all not to have to go through none of that trouble, guess what? We about to whip this up ourselves. So we got some all-purpose flour. I got the King Arthur. So 600 grams of all-purpose flour. And then we're going to do 60 grams of corn flour. All right, we got us a teaspoon of the Red Star Quick Rise instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Let's go with a full tablespoon of sugar, and let's do a teaspoon garlic powder, 30 grams of oil. I got some warm water here, so we're going only with 50% hydration. So yeah, just get your water to like anywhere from 95 to 103 degrees. So we're only doing 300 grams of this water. All right. So on this one, we're not gonna use the dough hook. We're just gonna use the paddle. So shout out to some of the other creators out here I saw doing it like that. Oh, they ain't got it plugged up. Ain't nothing gonna happen. That's all we want. Just like that. Cornmeal on there. Rolled out. I kind of like the cracker style crust because it's so easy to manage. You gotta manhandle it. That's all I'm doing to it, y'all. Put this in the fridge. Put a little oil in here so it doesn't stick. Boom, bam, just like that. All right, so this is going in the fridge 24 hours. And then we're going to get to work on it. See y'all back tomorrow. Got us a big can of Samurai. These are ingredients for the pizza sauce. Get it opened up. I'm a fan of these here. We got 6 pounds of this stuff here. It is a very good price at Costco. This whole can only costs about $7. I'm going to use half of this for some pizza and use the other half for some pasta. 3 pounds of this stuff. Because I got a 6-pound can. All right, there we go. All right, so we washed our hands real good, and we just gonna go in here with our hands and squeeze up these tomatoes. This is gonna be some of the best sauce you ever made. Super quick and easy. If you don't feel like touching it with your hands, if you got some kids, grandkids, let them do it. They gonna have some fun. Just make sure they don't get too crazy with it. You're gonna have a big old mess. No need to go out and buy any more pizza sauce. I used to go out and buy the pizza sauce. I'm telling you, this is way better. And then you find out it's so simple to make. You're gonna be like, man, why was I spending all that money? All right, I think that's good enough right there. Now we're gonna season up this sauce and make it some epic pizza sauce. All right, let's get our seasonings going. So this is for 3 pounds of pizza sauce. So that's a tablespoon of salt right there. So we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oregano, we want some flavor, we want it to pop. We go with 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of basil. Got some dried onion powder, 2 tablespoons of that. Sprinkle of red pepper flakes. I'm just gonna do a teaspoon of black pepper. Get it mixed on up. Do like Bob Marley say, stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. That's pizza sauce there, baby. Hello, yesterday. That this pizza dough has sit. And we're going to go ahead and divide it up before I go to work and everything. 1,049 grams. So, I'm just gonna make this, say 260 grams a piece. Whichever is gonna be one of them is gonna have more. All right, 235. Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah. By the time I get home from work, though, they should be nice and relax and be like, lay me out, flatten me out.
What is going on? Yeah.
All right. See y'all when I get home from work. We're gonna roll this out and roll out these delicious homemade ingredients for Chicago thin crust pizza. All right. I'll see y'all this evening. Let's go with convection roast at 450 degrees. Keep it a medium bake. This is what they say is a lot of times the degree to bake it at on the back of the those frozen pieces. Been having that thing resting. What? Been at work, only did half day today, 5 hours, so had it resting. So let's see how easy it is. Just a little bit of cornmeal. All right, we're gonna do an old rolling pin style. Get it set for our guide. We're going for a 14-inch large pizza. Okay, look like you got like a little good give to it. Okay, it's acting pretty good. See, y'all gotta let that thing rest, or the warmer it is inside your house, the better. Good enough. Look how nice and thin that is. All right. So we don't have a dough docker. So what we gonna do, so no air pockets build up, is dough dock it with a fork. That's all you gotta do. Like that all around. And that's gonna make an A1 dough. A1 crust rather. Nice, crispy there, cracky there. Alright, that's good enough, y'all. You got enough holes up in here? Yeah, we good, we good. Boom. Yeah, we gonna go ahead and grease this a little bit, because what we gonna do, we're gonna par bake it for about 2 minutes first, just the dough by itself. Alright, throw that on there. It's like, no, I don't want my pieces like that. I want to be looking neat like the stove. Boom, just, don't sweat it. It still ain't gonna be neat even with my cutting. I was never the best arts and crafts student. That's good enough for me, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit to the side for a minute. Go ahead and grate up some fresh cheese. Be right back. All right, let's grate up some cheese. I got some white cheddar cheese first. This little bit of white cheddar is what really makes it pop. All right, got my cheddar right there. Got fresh mozzarella. Get the whole mozzarella. And go ahead and grate it yourself. And then with this, before I grate it, I let it sit in the freezer for about 20 minutes. So to have a easier and faster grating experience. Yeah, buddy. All right. That's about enough cheese. All right, let's go ahead and par bake this. Bam, bam. We're going to do it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, y'all. Drop it in there like it's hot. I'm gonna check on it in 2 minutes. All right, I got enough par bake to it, baby.
Yep. That's good.
Yeah, that's like that. Just a little bit, just a little crisp. Let's get it sauced up. Look how that. Look how that sauce comes out when you finish it. Mm-hmm. See, doing it by hand, y'all. Do it by hand. It's saucy. I'm not saying it just because I made it, but this is some of the best pizza sauce I have ever seen.
For real.
We're going to take it all the way to the edges. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do like a base layer of the white cheddar. Do a base layer of it. So that's going to be our little layer, right? Now, we don't have to go into that fresh brown sausage we made. I got the video on how to do that. I'm gonna post it up for y'all. What? Like you got a butcher doing? What? Come on now. All right, that meaty enough for us, y'all. That meat, that's just pretty meaty. Oh, well, let's get to the spot right here. Yeah. Right there. All right. And then we just come with the rest of the cheese. Boom. Boom. Yes. All right. Now, we ain't finished.
What is happening?
We're going to go ahead and hit this bad boy with some of this fresh Parmesan. How about that?
Okay, you clowning.
Mm-hmm.
You are clowning.
We're gonna be bursting with flavor.
Mm-hmm.
How good that look, baby?
That looks
How good
great.
that look? Come on now. It ain't even done yet. All right. And there she go in the middle. Gonna let that rock about 10 minutes. Be back.
What's that? Your pizza almost ready?
Yeah, yes it is.
Boogie now, boogie down, boogie down.
You gotta do the mouth movements and everything.
Oh, shuck it. Yeah, go back.
I think we going in.
Go in.
Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's a pizza. Oh.
Who laughs at somebody getting their hand burnt? Right, take it on off. See how they come off, y'all? No sticky poo. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
I do. Give me some going. Darryl's Q and pizza.
Yeah.
You hear that crunch?
Mm-hmm.
Ain't no sound effects either. That's real crunch,
The
baby.
real deal. Oh yeah.
All right, wait. Let's see how it look under the bottom.
Oh,
Woo!
shoot. That's real pizza there.
Ooh, yeah,
That's
baby.
real pizza.
All right, wait. You know, you got them people that say, yeah, that the end is easy to get, but
Look at that.
ooh, middle crust.
Look at that.
All right, let it cool down, y'all, and we gonna see what we got. You thought I was playing, didn't you? Let's see what we got. Man, you ain't gonna want to go back, y'all. There's my little crust. Look how that sausage, boy. Don't say I ain't show y'all. So you better subscribe and like this. Me and the camera lady about to go and eat 2025.